Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Wysocki. I practice in Oshawa, Ontario, and I've been using ChiroWrite since its inception. I really enjoy using ChiroWrite. It allows me to produce much more thorough and rapid soap notes. My reports are nice and detailed. I can use a lot more content than I ever could doing it the old-fashioned way. I use a combination of hardware, tablet PCs, and touchscreens. Very helpful again in increasing my speed. At the end of the day, I can go home knowing that everything is thorough and complete. That gives me good peace of mind. I'd recommend ChiroWrite to anyone in our field.
I'm Dr. Jonathan Saunders from Newmarket, Ontario. I've been using ChiroWrite since its inception in Ontario as a test site, and it's been a fantastic addition to our practice. From the mere fact it's a very fast program, it's very efficient, but at the same time very, very thorough. Our notes have become way more complete since the program, and our efficiency in terms of how patients move into and out of our practice, it's not even comparison. Your notes can take as long as you want them to take, or it can take 2 seconds to literally have a complete soap note. So it's been fantastic from that perspective. We've been waiting for some paperless systems to become available, and from a price point perspective, there's just no comparison. We also have technical assistants in our office that we're able to be trained within a day on how to use it. With one touch of a button, you can have a full report that's 2 to 3 pages long. So it's just been an awesome addition to a practice where, again, it's been allow us to be very, very thorough, but again, without taking any of the efficiency away from our practice. So we recommend to anybody that's thinking about paperless, that wants to be more thorough and fast in terms of their communication and their documentation with their patients. So it's been fantastic.
Hi, my name is Dr. Michael Summers. I practice in Toronto, Ontario. I shopped around quite a bit when I was looking for a paperless system. In this day and age, we are, being a good chiropractor involves having thorough notes, keeping really thorough notes, and getting them done quite quickly. So I was very careful. I looked around at a lot of different systems, and once I started using and looking at ChiroWrite, I immediately knew that it was the one for me. It's very adaptable. There are lots of different things you can do with it to meet your personal needs. My practice works in a particular kind of way, and I need a system that can adapt to it, and ChiroWrite can do just that. Also, I find it an incredible patient education tool as well. You can bring up information. I use touch screen computers in my clinic, so I'm able to bring up images that pertain to the patient instantaneously, allow them to see things that would take me, minutes or hours to try and find if we didn't have a paperless system. Also, it's incredibly quick to do your note-taking. You can do it in as little time or as much time and be as thorough as you need to be, and transferring files is very easy. Going from one soap note to the next, if you haven't changed anything, is incredibly easy. It just happens at one touch of a button. In short, I love how easy it is to use, how thorough you can be, how many places there are to add information on different things pertaining to the patient. The assist aspect of the program, there's a complaint assist that helps you to write down as much about the patient's complaint as you need to, and I find that helps to remind me what I need to write down. Sometimes with just paper notes, there are things we tend to leave out. In this program, it's easier to be thorough and to keep as much patient information in there as possible and to be as good a chiropractor as I feel I can be.